Hey everybody, this is Kim Siever with Hot Pepper Communications. Recently, someone ended up on my website searching for the phrase, "Do you capitalize a husband?" I thought it'd make a good topic for this week's blog post. So, do you capitalize husband? Well, in short, no. There are actually pretty much only 3 times you capitalize a word. Proper nouns, such as Canada, Jane, and Saskatchewan, first word in a sentence, and main words in a title. Husband isn't a proper noun. Take the following sentence, for example. Susan, I'd like to introduce my husband George to you. In this sentence, George is the proper noun. Husband is simply a common noun. Now, if husband was the first word in a sentence, of course it would be capitalized, like in this example. Husbands should love their wives. Finally, if husband was part of the title of a work, like a book or a film, then it would be capitalized, such as the Dummy's Guide for Finding a Husband. So if husband is the first word in a sentence or part of a title, then by all means capitalize it. Any other time, just leave it lowercase. If you have a grammar question, email it to me at info@hotpepper.ca. You can find me online at hotpepper.ca or on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.